Welcome back mga tropa, nandito tayo sa Camtino Basketball League na ginaganap dito sa Cabanatuan City. Score now is 5-6. Dame versus Zone 1 MNH. 5 minutes and 25 seconds left dito sa first quarter. Umpisa pa lang ng laban. Dame is wearing green. Naka-black naman ang Zone 1 MNH. Munting na yun. Unang free throw, jersey number 12, Tolentino. Pasok. Tomamang. Zone 1 MNH. Tole. Shoot.
Pass to Flores. To the mama. Wala. Kawani. William Mata. Nagkakalit yung uso. Pass to Flores. Pass to Flores. Running direction.
Shoot.
Jersey number 7. Balmote. First personal foul, third team foul.
Hey,
One shot by Mamas. Third timeout. Bobby. Pass to Balmote. To Tomama. Tomama. Wala. Nahuli. Flores. Around. Single. Yung final family. Back to Mamas. Hey, gusto, tawaning Gopis. Tuto naman. Wala. Nakakunin ni Swingo.
Score now is 6-15 in favor of Dame. 2 minutes and 53 seconds left dito sa first quarter. Shoot. Score now is 8-15.
Kondisyon na. Kondisyon na si LGB.
Yon, shoot.
Kondisyon si LGB.
2 minutes and 17 seconds left.
BBG. Travis.
Yon, shoot. Score now is 12-17. Humahabol. Ang Zone 1 MNH. Unting na yan.
Sabi nila ni Jason, humingi nga sa ball. Sabi nila number 9. Jason, bago na naman. Who's down? Jason, number 22. Sabi nila number 9.
Shoot. One minute and 6 seconds left.
Two points, down the line. Mas, remember. Nakapag pa rin ni Remember to Mas. Ito pa. Last 21 seconds.
36 seconds left.
Flores to Makalanda. Makalanda wala. Nakakuha pa rin Makalanda. Out of bounds.
25 seconds left.
Last 25 seconds.
Score is 14-20. Lamang na 6.
Wala.
Ang Dam laban sa Zone 1. Munting na yan.
Last 21 seconds. Makalanda pumili siya at Flores. Balan Team Dame. Last 17 seconds.
Quarter. Score is 14-20.
13-20.